Lights off, bills on. 4 days before Christmas, I got that letter from Jacksonville. I had been cut. I kept the paper. I kept the hunger. If you felt that knot in your chest, this is for you. You're not starting from zero. Today, I'll show you how to turn your story into a system that prints content and clients in 7 days. Content is currency. I did 10 years in corporate, built a trucking company, led 50 trucks, had over 100 drivers in the pandemic. First dollar online hit in 2023, a $9.99 trucking starter guide, a sale on screen, proof that was the moment. Discipline turned into digital income when you built the system. After sports, the momentum dies. No pipeline, no plan. I've been there. House quiet, phone dry, family first. The 1 hour content cure, record once, get you a month worth of posts. You publish daily without losing family time. Book calls, cash flow, peace in the house. You dig? I got a few clients that I'm working with, but some that are special to me is Anthony Amato. Check out his channel, Rust Aurora. Former D1 soccer athlete at Niagara University, I think. Walked away from the game. He's still in college now. He went to the internet. We built this content machine, hooks dial, clips daily, momentum reel. He's off to the races. He's doing great. And Anthony Amato, I'll put his channel up, building a crazy product over there. It's going crazy. Another client of mine, Ben, Astrology Lottery. He got a truck company as well. Talkstars, a wild combo. System on. His content calls and programs moving. Proof over promises. You did what I'm saying. I'll put both of their social medias up. Tag them down in the comments, man. This is math. This is not motivation. It's basically a math post, man. So check that out. Definitely got 2 clients who I work with. I work with many other brands here in Atlanta, all across, man. Anywhere the Wi-Fi is at where you can find me in the business. You think you need a new identity. You do not. You need a new arena. The linebacker rules still pay. Read your keys. Strike first. Cover ground fast. In business, that means research, action, distribution. Be the punisher, not the person getting hit. You dig what I'm saying? So that's how you translate the game to what you're doing now, man. It's all the same. All them techniques and processes you learn to play whatever sport you did, apply it straight to business. Same thing. We start the day, 7 days, 1 outcome. You will post, you will book calls, you will feel momentum again. So day 1, here we go. We're going to find the problem. Write 5 problems you can solve from your life. Injury comeback process, captain habit, how to build a route to first 5K online. Pick one. Promise 1 outcome. Say this line: I help athletes and earners turn their story into a system that prints content and clients. Find you a problem, solve it. Look back to your old self from 5 years ago, who you were and how you overcame your problems. Day 2, record 1 lesson, 10 minutes on your phone, 1 story, 1 teaching point, 1 call to action. No script, gymnastics. Talk to your old self. That's it. Reach back in that past self. Talk to your old self. Figure it out. Day 3, pull 5 hooks. Only first lines. Examples. Lights off, bills on. Here's the fix. You're not starting from zero. You're sitting on 1 skill. Stop posting random. Start printing clients. You got to get you a good hook to really bring in the business, hook them, catch them, get them paying attention. Day 4, cut to 30 clips. Hook, lesson, beat, call to action. Clip length, 20 to 45 seconds. Name the file P1 to P30 so you don't overthink. Opus Clip will help you do this for sure. Day 5, schedule and pin. Post 1 clip for the day for the next 30 days across YouTube Shorts, IG, TikTok, LinkedIn, or just pick whichever one your favorite platform. Pin this comment under each. Record 1, 30 clips, schedule calls, book Monday, link in description. Call to action. Day 6, DM the heat. Reply to every comment in the first hour and send 5 DMs to the warmest leads. Use this. I fixed this bottleneck. You record once, when we turn it into daily publishing and book calls. Want the 2-minute demo? And you show them how to do that. Get in them DMs, get active. It's social media networking, not on social media to look cool. You're on there to get money and get dollars if that's what you're into. Day 7, go live for 30 minutes. Teach the lesson. Show a screenshot. Answer the question. Close with a cure. Say this. Grab the 1 hour content cure you will publish by Monday on the screen through Sprint. A simple checklist. Filling out from day 1 to day 7. You dig what I'm saying? It's really that simple to get to the money. I'll show you how to do this. You can work with me one-on-one. We can put this system into your business. This is one of many systems and frameworks that I've used to get to the money, man. Let's get it. No audience? Borrow one. Go live with a friend. Comment on bigger pages with value. No time. Batch in 1 hour. Shoot before the house wakes up. No gear. Phone, window light, quiet room. No offer. Use mine while you build yours. The 1 hour content cure plus a short call. Fear of being seen. You already played in stadiums. Treat the camera like game film. You are not starting from zero. You have a story. You have a recipe. Record once, 30 clips, schedule it. Publishing daily, 1 hour in a week. Book calls, cash flow, family time back, content is currency. Pressure builds power. Systems do not sleep. The work is not going to do yourself. Take heed though you need to follow up and DM people when they hit you up. Those are warm leads. They're interested in what you're saying. Most of the time, people I know, they too cool. They not going to post. Second of all, they definitely not going to follow up with people who are interested, comment, liking, DM those people, man. They want to do business with you. It's something about them. You know how much it takes me to write on somebody's post. But you got to get into that habit. It's real life. If somebody said hey to you and you ignored them, you look like a fool. So don't do it on the internet. Here's the move. Grab the 1 hour content cure, templates, checklists, descriptions, hooks, DMs. Record once. 30 clips scheduled. Calls booked by Monday. Link in description. Link in the first comment. I will send you the results so you can copy it. We do not chase. We attract through proof. Go out there and be great. Let's get it.